Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change background color of passport size photo online for free. In this tutorial, I will use Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea, and then go to New Project, click it, and then we can choose Template. I will choose Print, and we can set the size here. Firstly, we can change DPI. I change it to 300 pixels per inch. Next, we can change the units to inch, and I type 2 in width, 2 in width, and 2 in height. This is passport size for United States, and then we can click Create to create a new project. Next, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photopea to import the image. Next, we can scale it. We can click and drag the corner to scale the image. I scale it something like this and move it to here. Press Enter to apply. Now we can see that the image has a blue and white color. If we want to change it, we can make selection first. We can click and drag and find object selection, and then click and drag to make a selection. We can press Shift and make selection, click and drag to make selection, click and drag to make selection. I try to use several times. After making the selection, we can go to Layers and then go to the bottom of the Layers window. We can find Adjustment Layer, okay, and we can choose Color Fill. Choose it, and we can change the background color. For example, we can pick the white as a background color and press OK to apply it. And then make sure that we select the mask, and then press Ctrl I to invert it. Now, if we want to change the color, we can double click the color fill, and then we can pick blue. In this example, I pick this blue and press Enter. So this is how we can change background color of passport size photo using Photopea for free. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.